The brehmermechatronics CAN Modul is functional, safe and an extreme compact design. So it can be adapted to nearly all requirements. For example, the LED illumination of the keys as well as the number of the status LEDs can be changed. Through a combination of variants from 0 to 1000 keys can be produced. Alternatively, we also integrate display fields. For example, battery or vehicle status can be integrated or combined with a button. Our CAN Modul achieves, through our protected switching foil technology, the highest level of functional safety. With an installation depth of only 40 mm, the CAN Modul can be integrated in almost any application.